Many people are concerned by the ethical issue around the gene editings. But if someone wanted to edit embryos or genes for height, for example, how difficult would it be to do that? It's not too easy. Traits like that are the result of many genes, not just one, and it's not clear how you would be able to use ge- ge- genome genome editing to have impact in the way that you would want. And that's true for lots of traits. People talk about intelligence as well, something that you could maybe edit. But I would argue that that's gonna be hard because first of all, we can argue about how do we even define intelligence, and then secondary, there are many genes that are contributed to it. How do you think we can deal with the issue of so-called designer babies? On that topics, realistically, human embryo editing is suddenly on the horizon. I think people will use it at some point, and so to me, it's been more important to rather than trying to resist it, to just say, like, look, this is coming in the future. We don't know exactly when, but we know that the technology could be used in that way. So let's make sure that it's used as responsibly as possible. The nature will always bite back, meaning that we will be likely to see unintended or unexpected consequences. And in that sense, your colleagues have opened a Pandora's box. That's the technology never moves backwards. It always moves forward. You cannot really unlearn something that you learned. So I don't know that you would want to. There is so much exciting and really very good potential of the technology to solve the big problems that we are facing as a human beings. Whether it's in diseases or whether it's in the environment, like climate changes. So we would certainly want to encourage the development of technologies, but we want to encourage responsible development. And I've really been involved with others over the last few years in scientists intentionally to make sure that we have the very concerted effort among the scientists around the world.